Brian DiMambro here. This beautifully bound book is late 19th century binding, but the imprint is actually 1839. It's by Grandville. It's the second edition, which has been expanded and revised with supplemental information from the first. At the front of the book is a large folding copper engraved map showing the locations of 300 different mineral spring spas across Germany, as well as Switzerland and Central Europe. The book has a series of images and line drawings within the text, as well as some full-page illustrations with tissue guards, such as like this one. There are also a number of small full-page copper engraved maps with original outline hand color depicting the locations of spas in specific close-up areas, like in Bohemia there. Here's one for the Salzburg area. This book remains clean, tight, sound, and well preserved. There's even at the front, at the top of the front end paper, the stamp of the binder. It's a so-called signed binding. And this beautiful book is available now on my website, briandimambro.com. Subscribe. I'm making videos every day. Talk to you soon.